Hi guys, I'm Raina and welcome to the Sublime Life YouTube channel, your one-stop destination for all things skincare, hair and beauty. Today I'm going to be sharing 5 makeup tips that I swear by and will help you achieve a beautiful makeup look just like a pro. So let's start with the first hack. Apply your foundation before concealer. So when you're using foundation first, you're already covering a lot of pigmentation and blemishes on your skin, so you automatically need very little bit of concealer after that. This avoids a lot of layering and cakiness of foundation, and it just makes your base look more skin-like and very lightweight. Today for foundation, I've used the 𝗣𝗿𝗍𝗂𝗰𝗁 Organics Skin Tint Foundation. This is a very skin-like foundation. It literally feels like second skin and it gives enough coverage to give you an even base. And for concealer, I've used the 𝗀𝗚𝗏 Soft Blur Concealer Plus Foundation. This gives really good coverage and is actually so good for spot concealing. You can just use your fingers with it. So the next time you do your makeup, try using a foundation first and then a concealer so that you only need to spot conceal on your face. You know, when you apply a really matte liquid lipstick and it makes your lips look very dry and crusty, we've got a solution for you. Try using a good lip scrub to exfoliate your lips first and then use any lipstick. We have the 𝗣𝗿𝐶𝗱𝘂𝗂𝗰𝘁 Cake Frosting Lip Scrub. Other than smelling really yummy, it also has some good ingredients that will moisturize your lips. It has jojoba oil and shea butter in it. Exfoliate your lips gently for a good 1 to 2 minutes and then wipe it away using a tissue or a warm cloth and then use a lipstick. For lipstick, I've used the Sara Liquid Lip Color in the shade Sunday Nude. We all struggle to achieve that perfect winged eyeliner, so I have a great hack to fix that problem. Try using a spoon next time you do your eyeliner. So for the eyeliner today, I'm using the Disguise All Day Gel Kajal. This is a beautiful jet black smooth kajal and you can definitely use it to draw a winged eyeliner. Use the handle of the spoon as a stencil to draw a line from the outer corner of your eye, and to connect the wing to your eye, use the curved part of the spoon as a stencil and it will give you the perfect winged eyeliner. The fourth hack is actually a great lipstick hack. You can mattify any creamy bullet lipstick just by using a tissue paper and some loose powder. So for lipstick, I'm using this Blush Bee lipstick in the shade Spring, and this lipstick is beautiful on its own. But if you want to mattify it, just use a tissue paper, place it on top of your lips and then just dust some loose powder on top of it. For powder, I'm using the Sandiva SPF Top Up Loose Powder, and this is a great finely milled powder. It will mattify your lipstick completely and will make it last longer. If you struggle to get the perfect liquid lipstick application, then this hack is something that you need to try. To enhance your cupid's bow, try drawing an X at your cupid's bow using any liquid lipstick and then connect the lines and fill it in using the same lipstick, and it will give you the perfect liquid lipstick application. So for that, I've used the Disguise Feather Light Matte Liquid Lip Cream in the shade Nostalgic Rose. With that, we come to an end of this video. We've linked all the products in the caption below. Do let us know if you have any questions too. Don't forget to like, share and comment to our YouTube channel. Thank you.